What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm on an absolute rampage at the moment of just doing random fucking music that, one, I've been requested for a while, two, that I've never got before. I was honestly looking through my comment section and just random videos and just seeing, you know, what can I do that's like in the prog rock field. And Liquid Tension Experiment Acid Rain was one of the tracks that came up. Now there is a live version which I see is quite popular, and I was trying to figure out, I was like, why have I never heard of these guys before? Why are they coming up in a Dream Theater video? And I've just looked them up. Liquid Tension Experiment was an instrumental progressive metal band founded by Mike Portnoy, then Dream Theater's drummer, in 1997. The band has released 2 albums through Magna Carta Records. A third album, with the absence of John Petrucci, was released in... So these guys, I know Mike Portnoy is the drummer from Dream Theater, but I also know that John Petrucci is he not a part of Dream Theater as well? Can confirm he is also the guitarist from Dream Theater. So this is a makeup of Dream Theater. So maybe it's like Dream Theater 2.0, but I've never heard of them. I think these are the more underground version of Dream Theater. But we're going to check out Liquid Tension Experiment live in LA in 2008. So we're going back, what, 12 years to this stage. 12 years ago I would have been, what, like 11, I think. So yeah, an interesting one for any of you older viewers, which I can only imagine is the majority. I don't see a lot of people my age being interested in this content, but if you are, then do let me know in the comment section down below. Is there anyone that, you know, I feel like I'm a minority a lot of the time when I listen to this music. You know, a lot of my friends, a lot of my close friends, acquaintances, you know, don't listen to this type of music. Even if it's not Dream Theater, they just like prog rock isn't really their thing. I feel like prog rock is a more, you know, it's an acquired taste from a more established generation. So it's definitely a compliment. I'm not trying to call any of you guys, you know, boomers or anything like that, because I hate that term anyway. But I'm blabbling on a bit, guys. We're going to jump in. It's been a while since I did a live video. I'm interested. Anytime I see anything to do with Dream Theater, I'm all over that. So drop a like in this video if you haven't already, guys. Sub to the channel if you are new. Almost at 90k subs. I keep saying it. I'm going to keep saying it until we're there. And then 100k straight after that, guys. But yeah, let's go. Bit out of shot here. Now I know there is Dream Theater band members in this, but why does that sound so much like one of the tracks I've already heard? People are probably snapping in the comment section right now if this is somewhat of a remix of a Dream Theater track or some that does sound a lot like one of their tracks. But then again, a lot of Dream Theater's tracks sound like this, so it could just be purely based on the fact that it is, you know, at least 2 band members in Dream Theater that are also in this band. I'm a little bit confused right now because this sounds a lot like a track I've already done, so I don't know. You can just hear so much of John Petrucci in that. I think I'm butchering his name, but I'm sorry, I don't give a fuck. Like that. If I was to be blindfolded and you were to not tell me that these guys were a part of Dream Theater, I'd be able to tell you straight away. It just sounds so Dream Theater-esque. Just all the little, the nuances about the guitar play and the drumming, and just all the cool little fast-paced elements that are so Dream Theater. This is everything that is Dream Theater, but without the lyrics. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's Dream Theater without the fucking lead singer. I don't know. Oh, that bass. The second I click pause, I regret it instantly. There's going to be so many people that are pissed off that I paused there, but I can't help but pick out the tempo that is being kept up throughout, because you're paying so much, well, I'm paying so much attention to the insane guitar riff that's going on right now, and that little whammy bar screechy thing that he just did there, crazy. Like with Dream Theater, Mike Portnoy goes under the radar with a lot of these things because you can just hear that little in the background. That's just so crazy, man. It's just driving everything in that direction. But because everyone's so capable in their own right, you just lose track of one particular element, which is just the drums are fucking crazy. I've done it again. I've instantly regret pausing it, but how I've just copped that the bass guitar doesn't have a guitar. It just is a stick. It just never ended. And I say that in, you know, when I say it never ended, I don't mean like I wanted it to end. It was just relentless. The guitarist is so jacked. I've never realised how jacked he is. And now I realise he doesn't even need to go to the gym when, like, he fucking, like, that is his exercise for the year. He didn't lift his head for the entire video. He was just so focused on the guitar. The bass guitarist didn't even have a guitar. Anything to do with Dream Theater is crazy. Like, this band has been, I'm saying this band as if it's Dream Theater. It's not Dream Theater, but it might as well be. And this band, I'm just going to say Dream Theater, even though it's not Dream Theater. I'm sorry. My head's been so, like, so overloaded with information that I just need to go to bed after. And I was planning on doing more videos after this one, but I'm just not. Like, I need to sit down and let that one sink in. That was fucking crazy. Sometimes it's just the random videos that you didn't expect to be crazy. Like, this one's like, what, like 12 years old? It's just sitting there on YouTube, just, you know, one camera angle, just watching a few blokes go fucking ham. And man, that it's been a while since I got a video like that, especially a live video. Those are always the best, just to see them do it live. The last video that I had like that was Anesthetize with Porcupine Tree. That live video, man, go back and watch that if you haven't already. I lost my shit listening to that. That felt like, you know, another version of that. But crazy, man. I appreciate you guys requesting that one. I think it was just one person that requested, so respect. I'll probably put it on screen right now as well, because that one was crazy. Anyway, guys, if you did enjoy that video, if you did enjoy my thoughts, my reaction, just everything about it, then do drop a like on the video. Let me know a little bit more. I know I looked into them at the start, but I'm sure you guys do a better job of explaining, you know, how they got together, who they are. But yeah, guys, thank you as always for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you did enjoy the content. If you do want to see more, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm signing out. Take care of yourselves. Cheers.